So this is another one that I've had this week in terms of how do I share my Airtable Workspace. It's not immediately obvious when you go to your home screen. What you have to do is you have to go into the workspace. So generally it's the first one. So it's your workspace. And then you get the share button appears here. You have to invite your member by email. So just add them as a new collaborator. You can add multiple people in here, but then once the email is in, it now brings up the selection box for the type of owner that you want. Normally, if you're adding someone who is going to make changes and fully configure, it's either creator or potentially editor. Generally, I ask my clients if they would make me a creator. You can add a short message here and people will be notified by email that they have been invited. Click the invite button and that's it. They will receive an email with access to the workspace.